Alright, good day and welcome to my channel once again, All Things Simple. Today we have an interesting topic that I myself have tried to think about, to brainstorm on how to go about it, and finally I found the answer. But before we continue, I would like to appeal to us to please subscribe to this channel and click the notification button so that you are alerted when new videos from this channel drops. Alright, our topic for today says how to download the NIMC Self Service app. What is NIMC? National Identification Management Commission, the body that is in charge of your NIN that we have in Nigeria today. NIMC. Recently, they launched an app that helps you to correct your data, your date of birth, your address, name, whatever that you want to modify, that you want to correct. That's the essence of that app that NIMC launched recently. So, but I've been looking at the link. I did not see anywhere by which I can download the app. So it got me confused, and I understand also that it got some people confused too. And this is my way of helping out since I found the answer. It's a very simple thing to do. What you need to do is to enter the link that NIMC put up. If you go to their what's it called now, their Twitter page, you will see a picture there that has that link, selfservicemodification.nimc.gov.ng. When you go to that their Twitter page, you will see that link there. So when I looked at it, it looked as though it was just a link, And normally, if you want to download an app, you go to Google Play or whatever app store your phone uses or recognizes. That's where you go to. But then it seems as though NIMC wanted another channel by which you could download the app. So quickly, this is what you do to download to install the app on your phone. Here, you go to you type in self-service. See, because I've already done it before, the site, the link is already showing up on my own screen, on my own phone. So all I need to do is to click on go. So when I click on the link, it opens up. As it's opening up for me, there's something that will happen as it's opening up for you, because I've already done mine before now. So once you type in this link and you click on go, and it loads up for you, what you will see that will pop up for you at the end of the day is a notification for you to install the app. A notification will appear for you to install the app. All you need to do is to tap on install, and it will install the app for you. When you are done with that, let me show you mine. When immediately I entered into that link, this is what appeared for me. Remember to use Chrome, a good browser, not a Opera Mini. To use Chrome to do it. So I'm navigating through my phone now to get to where my own self-service app is located. So if you can see here, let me show us. Just right here. Why is this stuff doing this? Okay, see it here. NIMC Self Service. You can see it there clearly. You can also see another app that's close to it. That one too is also for NIMC. That's the normal app that everybody knows. That's the normal app that is on Google Play or whatever app store your phone recognizes. This one here, this one, that's the normal. So I was thinking personally that this would be the app, that this modification would be done. I didn't know that there's another, app that NIMC had created. So on clicking on that, on entering into that link on Chrome on my browser, it just popped up a notification for me to install the app. So that's what you do. You enter into the link on Chrome or whatever good browser you're using, and then it brings up that notification for you, that pop-up for you to install. You click on that install and you install it, and you are good to go. This is the app. Once again, let me show us again. This is how it looks like. This one here, NIMC Self Service. That's the app. So let me tap on the app now and open up the interface for us. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. You cannot go to landscape, so this is how it just looks like. So the next thing for you to do is to now register if you are a new user. In the next video, we'll talk about that part, this new part more. Thank you very much for watching to the end, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.